Hey everyone, I am back with another update. Are you dreaming of working in Europe, earning good money and experiencing a new culture, all while surrounded by beautiful countryside? If you're a farm worker looking for a real opportunity, Luxembourg might be your next big adventure. Today I'm breaking down exactly how you can land a sponsored seasonal farm job in Luxembourg, get your work visa and start your journey, all step by step. Luxembourg isn't just about banks and castles. Every year, this small but mighty country needs hundreds of seasonal workers to help with its farms, vineyards, and livestock. And, do you know the best part? If you're from outside the EU, such as Africa, there's a special visa just for you. This special visa is called Seasonal Worker Visa for third country nationals. So, what kind of farm jobs are available in Luxembourg? Let's talk about the jobs you can actually get. Here are the top roles in Luxembourg's agricultural sector. Crop farming. You'll be planting, harvesting, and packaging everything from grains to vegetables. Horticulture. This has to do with flowers, ornamental plants, and greenhouse work, which is perfect if you love working with your hands. Viticulture. Listen, you can also work in the famous Luxembourg vineyards, especially during grape harvest season. Animal husbandry. If you prefer working with animals, there are jobs caring for livestock, feeding, cleaning, and general farm maintenance. Where to find legit farm jobs for free? Now, you might be wondering, where do I even find these jobs? No worries, I've got you covered. Here are the best free websites to search for real, legal farm work in Luxembourg. Eurus.Europa. Select Luxembourg for job listings across Europe. Indeed Luxembourg, lu.indeed.com, Jobfinder.lu, Manpower Luxembourg, manpower.lu, Moviejob, n.moviejob.com, Adam.public.lu. This is Luxembourg's official employment agency. The above platforms has been helping people get legit seasonal farm jobs in Luxembourg. Pay attention, please. Never pay anyone for a job offer. All these sites are free and official. Now let's talk about how the visa process works, step by step, so you know exactly what to expect. Step 1. Find a job. First, you need a job offer. Your future employer in Luxembourg must notify ADEM, which is Luxembourg's official national employment agency. ADEM will first check if any local or EU worker wants the job. If not, after 3 weeks, your employer can officially offer you the position. Step 2. Apply for stay authorization. Once you have your job offer, you or your employer must apply for a stay authorization from Luxembourg's immigration authorities. This is done before you travel from your home country. Step 3. Visa application. With your stay authorization, you'll apply for a visa at the Luxembourg or Belgian embassy in your country. Make sure your passport is valid and you have all the required documents, like your job contract, proof of accommodation, and health insurance. Step 4. Arrival and registration. When you arrive in Luxembourg, you must register at the local commune, that's the town hall, within 3 days. This is super important, don't skip it. Step 5. Residence permit. Within 3 months of arriving, apply for your residence permit. This permit is valid for up to 5 months, and can be renewed if your job continues. What about costs and sponsorship? The good news is, your employer covers the sponsorship and most related costs. But you'll still need to budget for your travel, visa fees, and initial expenses. The big paperwork is handled by your employer. Let me give you some extra tips for a smooth journey. If you're planning on coming to Luxembourg, here are some vital things you need to understand. Number 1. Language. In Luxembourg, French and German are spoken here, but English is also common, especially with the farm workers. I will advise you learn a few basic phrases in French or German to help you get along with the locals. Number 2. Accommodation. Some employers provide housing, but always confirm this before you accept the job. Number 3. Season. Most farm jobs are available from spring to early autumn, so plan your application accordingly. Number 4. Rights. Finally, as a seasonal worker, you're protected by Luxembourg's labor laws, fair pay, safe working conditions, and proper contracts. That's it, guys. So, if you're ready for a new experience, Luxembourg's farms are waiting for you. Check out the links in the description below for the platforms you can use to start your job search and take the first step toward your European adventure. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I'm here to help. Good luck and see you in Luxembourg.